Good morning. This is Lynda Cromar, and I just wanted to share with you something. I am getting ready to actually create. I was going to just do it, and then I thought I will make a video exactly at what I want to accomplish here. I want to create an additional funnel to take people through my viralizer. I don't know why I have a hard time saying that. The Enviralizer funnel, but I want to start by offering them this little booklet that was offered to our Enviralizer team. And if you don't have one, just check the big group. It has an offer in there from Enrique, and he will do that for you. But anyway, this is a really kind of cool little report that was made. And then all of these links, if I click this, actually go to my own. I don't want to do that, but it actually goes to my own links, and I double check because I haven't checked them, but click here to join should actually go, and it does. Whoops, oh, that's something else. Oh, it's got some interesting stuff in there. I don't know what that is, but anyway, I want to bring them through and let them actually have this little booklet. Yeah, I have their stuff in here. I don't know what all that stuff is, but this is just things that they can do to create some money for themselves so that they're able to build a business. And I could actually have my own affiliate links put in here probably. It has my own username on it because he created it for that purpose. And that's, again, something else, so I don't want to do that. So the main program is Enviralizer, so yeah, it takes you there. And for me, it takes me to my presentation because I am already in it. But I want to go and actually take people through a process of getting this little booklet, and then they're still going to be in my list. And so I'm going to show you what you want to do. So I have this link already, and it has my name on it, as you can see. So you can see that he did create one with my username. So it's going to be cookie to me for whatever they do. So the first thing I'm going to actually do is go over here to my emails, and I'm going to go to the View Edit, and I'm going to take one I've already created, and I'm going to just add a front page to it that's different. And so I'm going to actually go down, and this is one that's already in our series. It's this one here, only I'm going to take it to the one I've already done so that I already have most of the stuff in there, and I don't have to completely change it all. And I can actually copy this. Where is it that I want to copy it? So it should allow me to copy this again. A campaign, test the campaign. Well, I guess I did the wrong thing. Let me double check that I did, because I don't want to use this one. I want to actually add on a page. So I want to add campaign. No, I don't want to do that. Okay, well then let's do it this way. I'm going to view and edit, and I'm going to add on to this one. Should be a way I could copy it though. Let me see. Test created. Make an editable copy of one of these programs. So I'm going to do that first. Oh, I see what I do. So what you want to do is you want to actually select my campaign and make an editable copy of this, rather than, I don't want to actually change this one. So I'm going to click this, and I'm going to give it a new name so that it does not it's different. Enviralizer with empty pockets. So I'm going to create that new campaign, and then I'm going to go back, and it's going to allow me to, please choose the campaign to view in its view its emails. And I'm going to go down again to this. And then I'm going to add this campaign to my empty pockets. So now I have a new copy, and so now you can see it's my Enviralizer with Empower Network, well, Empower Empty Pockets and 5 messages. Okay, so I'm going to, what's going to happen now is I'm actually going to edit my welcome, and that is the one that it's going to have the link to this PDF. So I'm not going to use this welcome video, which for some reason it's not linking to that correctly anyway. I am going to say on this one, here is your report. And then I'm going to say, thanks for opting in. And I'm going to say, here is your report. Click here. And then I'm going to take this link here, up here, and I'm going to copy it and put it in that email. So we're going to go with this part right here, and we're going to click the chain, and we're going to make that become the link. Whoops, didn't do it. Let's try that again. I'm going to make this bold, and then I'm going to click the link here, and for some reason sometimes it jumps instead of going where it's supposed to. So there it is. So now we have a clickable link that takes them to that report, and also I'm going to take that out and I'll talk about it later. So now they have the first page, and it's different from the original system that I had. And oh, I need to change the title because it's the wrong title. Welcome to my Enviralizer list and empty pockets. So now we have changed this, and they have a new set of emails. So we have the one we want them to go to. So the other part of that process now is to go over here to my web pages and copy web pages, or you can go to my web pages. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my web pages because I know exactly which one I'm going to copy. I'm going to copy this one. So I'm going to go right here to copy, and I'm going to change this title right here and call it "and empty pockets," so that I know which one this is. And I'm going to leave copy of because that just helps me know where it is. And then this is going to be different here. I'm going to actually add again this PDF that they can have that as promised once they have completed opting in. So now I'm going to save this. Now we have, and we don't have to actually make any other changes. So now we actually have a brand new web, what we call, okay, what is it doing here? It didn't actually create that, so let's look back what happened. It should actually be finished. So copy of empty pockets, let's test it, and it's not finished, so I got to find out why. But it does go there when we look at it. So okay, let's edit this and see what we did wrong. Oh, and I didn't finish the emails. Oh, I know what I didn't do. I didn't do this part right here. So what we need to do is call this empty pockets. So it's a good thing you see that I'm not perfect and sometimes I mess up. And so what I'm going to do also is I want a different email here. I want this right here, the empty pockets one I just created. So that is the finished product here, and I messed up on those things, but it's okay. You can always go back. You can actually edit. So I'm going to show you what it looks like now. So you see this changed now, and here is my new capture page. I didn't have to change anything else. I could have put that empty pockets picture back here, but you know what? You don't have to go to that kind of trouble. And we really have to. We could do this other things here, but this really is a pretty good headline already. But if I wanted to, I could go back here and we can edit this. And so we're going to edit, come to the text. And that's where that place is right here. So what we're going to do is see amazing this report. Let's put report in here. Has to be the simplest way. Tells some of the easiest and we'll change this to ways. Okay, so I didn't change it a lot. And now we have completed our funnel. Let's look again. So we have a different title up here. We have a different thing here. And I haven't done anything all that serious or difficult. So now I actually have a funnel set up, ready to go. It's not just the capture page. It's going to be the emails afterwards. And then they also go on my AWeber list and they get my newsletters. So I'm going to be able to offer this right now out to my Facebook friends. I don't know why I have that up. Let's look. Oh. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do a post, and I have already captured that front cover picture of the little empty pocket. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to go get that picture, and I did it in my capture folder. Okay, so I want to put up that link that I just made on that, and we're done. Now people can look at my little report. They can opt in to get the report, and they have this cool picture to help them know what they're actually interested in getting. And I'm using a picture from the actual video, from the actual little PDF, and they will actually say, yeah, I want to know about that. And this, even though we don't have the background, there's no way to put that picture in here in a way that would make sense. So what I'm doing here instead is saying, amazing, this little report tells about some of the easiest and simplest ways to cash flow online. So they want to know about that. And so here we go. They have all the process put together, simple, easy, and fast. All right, turn it off.